Hello students, welcome back in a new session.
Today in this session we will discuss about variables and different kind of modes which are used inside the Python programming language. So variables. What is variable? A variable stores the data temporarily or a variable is the name of the memory location where data is stored. A variable stores data temporarily, or a variable is the name of the memory location where the data is stored, like any address that belongs to a particular or a specific location inside the memory. If we talk about the different modes of the programming interface, then in Python we have two different modes which are used in different categories inside the programming. So here we will talk about the batch mode and interactive mode. If we talk about the batch mode, this mode basically is used for project development purpose. This mode is invented for project development purpose. Here is an example of batch mode. If we talk about the example, so first what we will do, we open the file inside the file. We open a new file, write the program in a batch mode interface. Then after we will find the batch mode interface. Here we will write the program or our source code. We assign the values to a variables, and then after we simple print these some arithmetic operations, and Now save the program with the file name .py. Py is a Python extension through which we save the file in terms of Python programming or Python file. Then after we click on run module on the run tab, or just press the F5 function key. Okay, now we will see the interactive mode interface. Interactive mode, here we find the resultant value which is written in batch mode. So interactive mode basically a shell mode. Now we will see the shell mode or interactive mode. Now second one is interactive mode. So what is interactive mode? This mode is used for testing purpose. In this mode, the program will be tested line by line. Now we will see the example. We simple assign the value to a variable, and after writing this statement, when we press the enter, then we got the some resultant value. Okay. B is the variable, and we assign the 200 value to a variable. Now I want to display the resultant value of these variables or addition of these two variables. So I will simple write print sum equals to a plus b. As we press the enter, we got the resultant value 300. These are different patterns of modes which are used inside the Python programming. Both the modes is used inside the Python programming as per the demand and requirement of the programming. So I hope all of you got some valuable information about the variables and modes used inside the Python programming. So thanks for watching this video, and if you did not subscribe this channel, then go for the subscription so that you could get the latest videos time to time. Share all these videos with your friends, colleagues. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.
I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.